Dr. Evette here. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today's video, a little beautification going on for the water garden. We got some Arundike chairs. Why am I saying, I can't remember. Is it Arundike or Arondak? I got to look at the spelling. That we're putting out. The benches are going to a different area where we're going to have a rock, and then we're going to harvest some onion. So if this is your type of content, home gardening and homesteading, stay tuned. Okay, so I think it's going to look nice as soon as I finish mulching in this area with the brown mulch that I purchased. And it's shaded, so I think it's going to look good. So we got the 4 chairs in. The next thing is to get the area mulched and get some of the areas leveled out. Hopefully these will grow up. I got a few weeks. We wish we had the keys, we would get on it. So it is certainly time. As you can see, they are completely laid over and just almost up out of the dirt. So we're going to harvest, and I believe those 2 have gone to seed. Look at that flower on top. Okay, here we go. I want to leave them. I think I bigger overnight, but I want to do all this while the bed is in the shade. Yep, so which one do you want to pull first? I'm pulling this one. The thing is big a little bit. That's real weak. The thing, mine almost broke. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, he got a witch clock. Tell Brad, you need to bring that down. Take this, but you gotta take that dirt. Make sure you take all the dirt out of the root.
So we are still harvesting onion, but we have pulled back a little bit because, ooh, yay, look how big that one is. That's our first really big onion. This one is like what you get in the store. Look at it. It's big. This is how big. You can see how big it is based on my hand. Oh, we done did it, baby. We did. We did it. Look at it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's huge.
You're going and cut it up today.
Yep.
Huh?
Look how big that is.
Laughing at me.
Like it's about the size of baseball, you think?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I can't even close my hand around it.
Yeah, it's baseball size.
Yeah. Oh, man. So the rest of them are not up out of the dirt. So we've made an executive decision to just leave them until they emerge a little bit more. And then until the leaves start to brown a little bit more, because what we'll do is take these inside. Then all of this will brown. And once all of that brown, then we will braid them up to store them in a cool, dry place till we're ready for them. But this, it's the one, it's the one, it's the one. It's the one, it's the one, it's the one. My made up song. I'm gonna sing for real. It's the one, it's the one, it's the one. I think there's just one more that we should pull. Not this one, it got these flowers on top of it. But this one right here that's completely almost up out of the dirt. Oh, it's little, but that's probably because it was close to that big one, and that big one was sucking all of the nutrients, so this one is tiny. But it's still going to be eaten. It's just still going to be eaten. It's great. Onion harvest 2026. Okay, we've moved on to harvest the banana peppers. And these grew several inches overnight. Oh, I don't want to get right here because the bumblebee is having dinner. Mm, I don't like the size of these. It's kind of really. I know it keeps some of the other ones from growing. Cut it off. That's a good size. Let's manage to break a leaf in the process. I always manage to do it though. But let's move to the other side. I'm good at growing peppers. We're gonna do the booty bump if I bend over. So these are looking good. They got bigger last night. Some of them I want to leave because they still look a little thin. But it's hard to see. This is a good size, but it's just short, but it's a great size. Leave it because it's still kind of thin. Let's move to the Anaheim. Anaheim, which has medium heat, but I smell them. This is medium heat. I smell them. This looks good. This one's curling. Yes, give me a curl when it's sharing nutrients with one that's on the same leaf, but I'm not sure if that's what happens. I'm gonna leave these so they can get a little bit bigger. And I'm gonna fertilize the jalapenos so they can get bigger. This I'm gonna leave so they can get a little bit bigger. And then I'm gonna move on to the green beans that's right here close by. Okay, now I'm on green beans. These two bushes right here we transplanted from over there, and they have done well. Am I surprised about that? Absolutely, because this is our first time planting bush beans, but first time planting two in the dirt at the same time, seeing which one was going to produce, and they both did. So we had to do some transplanting to get them moved. So it worked. We transplanted them. They took off, and if you notice, this is nice and green and pretty and full and producing as if we planted it right here from the beginning. So I'm kind of happy. And it got some good sized green beans on it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Good sized green beans on it. Like that. And because our family loves green beans, it's a great thing for us to grow so that we don't have to go and get anything out of the store, out of the can. So that's all I'm going to take off of this bush right now. There's a few more, but too small. This one, too small still. But I'm going to put some fertilizer and see if we can get them to get a little bit bigger in the next couple of days. Moving on to its friend, which is also a transplant. Oh yeah, this one got some big ones on it. Look at that. Woo. Green beans for life. I don't know what made me say that, but green beans, green beans. If you've never had vegetarian green beans, when I cook them, I'll show you what I do. We don't put any meat in our vegetables because we're quasi-vegetarian, so sometimes we eat fish, but we cook all of our vegetables without any meat in it, and they're still good. So I'll just cook some so you can see what I do to give them flavor. Now it requires butter, so if you're a person that don't like butter, then I'm not going to recommend my recipe to you because we use butter and onion, smoked salt or bouillon cubes to give it that flavor, but without having the meat in it. Okay, happy gardening. Okay, so we're gonna harvest the squash because it is big, and I'm just happy just to see that it is big. Can you see that? It got spider mites on it. Them little bugs.
Wash them. Don't take it off and then take them off.
That is a good size squash. Happy dance. Happy dance. I grew my own squash. 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 I grew. Oh, it's exciting. Something that can make you happy. Growing your own food. Saving money at the grocery store. Because do we eat squash? Yes, we do. Do we eat zucchini? Yes, we do. So growing my own squash makes me happy. Now, I'm going to end this video here because, oh no, I'm not. I've got to show you what I did with those onions. But I would end it here because what we have to do now is just fertilize the bed, and Mert is weeding the okra bed. And that's it for today in our homestead, in our garden. So, I'll show you what I did with the onion, and then that will end this short gardening vlog. Okay, so here's the final process of what we do when we bring the onion in and let them, I believe it's called cure. And so what this is let them completely dry out. And then once they do that, all of this dirt that's dark, that looks like mud because the bed was wet from rain, will become brown like sand. And my friend's on the phone and doesn't realize that I'm recording. But this dirt that looks brown like mud will become light, and it'll just fall off of it without us messing up the onion skin right there. And then we will get it braided up, and then we will hang it and leave it here in the garage because it stays cool enough, because we have these big fans that'll keep it cool enough for the onion to be in a cool area until we use them. So we will use all of the onion. Last year we didn't have any that we needed to cut up and store in the freezer. We were able to use every onion fresh by the time summer ended. And that's easy to do because we're quasi-vegetarian. So we eat a lot of onion. But this is my biggest one ever. Like I showed you, it was like a baseball in my hand. So I'm proud of that. Then this was the harvest today. So we got lots of green beans. We've got squash. We've got banana peppers. We've got Anaheim peppers. And so this is a good harvest. I'm going to take it inside, get it cleaned up, and then we'll be all set. Okay, I'm going to let you go because my friend is on the phone. He doesn't realize that I'm ending the vlog with this video. And he's talking to our friend that's in Georgia. And so I'll let you go. But harvest for today and onions. Happy gardening.